All right, check these guys out. Taking this double door fridge down these stairs. Look at them. So you got a dolly, guy on that end, and a guy on this end. And you just take it down step by step. So they saran wrap, they use a saran wrap right here, and they saran wrap the fridge, and then they even took the doors off the fridge. So look at that. Check it out. Wow.
No, el otro va a estar complicado ya.
I think this fridge was in the house first. Then they built it. Crazy, huh? Look at that. Wow. Athletes. They're studying right now. You know, you give Mexican guys a job like this, they're the only motherfuckers who can do it too. Uh-huh, you're gonna angle that bitch off.